Chapter 1 – Function. A relation is a correspondence between a first set is called the domain and a second set is called the range, such that each member of the domain corresponds to at least one element of the range. The relation can be written in the form of ordered pairs. The domain is the entire first set element. So, the domain is 2, 3, 5. While the range is the entire second set element. So, the range is 6, 7, 9. Relations have four types, which are one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many. This is an arrow diagram for each relation. This is one-to-one. One-to-many. Many-to-one. Many-to-many. A function is a correspondence from a first set is called domain, to a second set is called range, such that each element in the domain corresponds to exactly one element in the range. This is an arrow diagram of a function relation and not function relation. When an equation represents as a function, the function is often named by a letter such as f, g, h or so on. The special notation fx is read f of x. It represents the value of the function at the number x. Given f of x equals x squared plus 3x plus 5, find f of 2. Substitute 2 to every x in the function. Next, find f of x plus 3, substitute x plus 3 to every x in the function. A function that is defined by two or more equations over a specified domain is called a piecewise function. For example, use the following function p of t. Find p of 30 and p of 80. When t equals 30, use the first line of the piecewise function. Then substitute t with 30. Next, find p of 80. When t equals 80, use the second line of the piecewise function. Then substitute t with 80. The domain of a function. There have three ways to finding a function's domain. 1. A function without radicals or variables in the denominator. 2. A function with fraction with a variable in the denominator. 3. A function with a variable inside a radical sign without variable in denominator, and a function with a variable inside a radical sign at the denominator.